Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the Slim Fit Dual Beam Headlamp. Now this is an upgraded version to one we've previously sold, but let me tell you, you are not going to believe the deal we have on this when you see the awesome features. So let's just jump into it. Now right off the bat, you're going to notice this line of LEDs on the front. Now this is going to give you a full 350 lumens of brightness, which is more than enough light to fully illuminate your path in even the darkest of environments. But that's not all you're gonna get, because this also features a 150 lumen side beam for a more directional lighting. But the best part is you can control the lights hands-free. With just a simple wave of your hand, the motion sensor will turn the lights on or off. Now this is great for when your hands are dirty, so mechanics and those with dirty jobs, you are absolutely going to love this. But if you don't want to, you don't have to use the motion sensor. You can toggle the function on or off with a simple press of the button. Now another thing I really love about this is that the lights are completely adjustable because the front and the side beam both have a high and a low mode, so you can choose what lighting situation best works for you. Or in those emergency situations, you can activate turbo strobe mode. Simply press and hold the power button in any lighting mode to activate the strobes. Now another reason this is so slim and lightweight is that it doesn't rely on conventional batteries, because this has a special slimline rechargeable battery, so you're not going to have to spend money on replacements. It also has an impressive 8-hour max runtime. Now a headlamp like this is perfect for all sorts of different situations because this is IPX4 weatherproof rated. So this is going to be perfect for all of your adventures, both indoors and out, like dog walking, hiking and camping, work in the garage, and even those nighttime jogs. Now of course the strap is adjustable, so it's going to comfortably fit just about anyone. But what I really love about the Slim Fit models is that they're so lightweight you barely even notice you're wearing it. Now I'm sure you can see how versatile and incredibly useful a headlamp like this is, and I believe every household should have at least one. But you're gonna wanna pick up a few, because when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and grab a couple today.